Hello, so today is gonna be about Shein haul. So I got some things from Shein, a shopping website called Shein. So I just wanted to share with you guys the things I got and basically review it. That's it. So let's just get into this video. So loves, the first item on our list is this t-shirt. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say the things I love about it because I really love this t-shirt. So first, the color is just as it was advertised on their website, and I was really amazed by the quality. All right, so the material is not too thick, it's not too thin, and it's stretchy a little bit, and it's actually ripped, and I love the zip. All right, that makes it easy to just convert to a turtleneck t-shirt or casual. So I thought this was really cool, and for the price, it's freaking amazing for the price. So far I've not really encountered any problem with the zip here, and the length, I love the length. I love that it's not too cropped, is not too long. All right, I just love the length. I think it's perfect. So I really love this t-shirt. I feel like everything is perfect, save that it had this really bad chemical smell. Like, it was so strong and scary, but once you wash it, it will be all right. So that's it for this t-shirt, and the price is what is blowing my mind the most, because for the quality and the price, it's like, oh, I'm just gonna give this 10, all right, out of 10. So the next item I'm gonna review is this t-shirt. All right, so I didn't this t-shirt is okay. Like, the color, the white especially, is like, it's really bright, which was what I wanted anyway. It's really bright, but I was actually thinking this was a cotton like material, like cotton, but unfortunately it's like lycra, like it's stretchy, and that was not what I was going for. And I think the design is cool, like the eye thing. I think it's really cool. So I'm just gonna tie this up. Maybe it will look fair. Yeah, so I think this is all right. Like, the material is okay, it's stretchy, it's not too thin, it's not even thin. All right, but I wanted, like, cotton material, but this is all right for the price too, and the design is also cool. So I took a size, yeah, for the yellow t-shirt I took a size medium because that's what I usually wear, and for this I think I took a size medium also because I wear size medium. So if you want a bigger, like a baggy, you're going for a baggy look, I think you should get XSL, and if you want something smaller, you should size down because it's really stretchy. So yeah, that's it for this. I'm just gonna give this 6 out of 10 because it's okay, but it wasn't what I wanted material wise. So next item is this t-shirt. All right, so this is another crop t-shirt that I love. I also still got my size, which is size medium in this. It's so stretchy. Like, when I saw it, it was looking so small. I thought it wasn't gonna be my size, it wasn't gonna size me, but it's so stretchy and everything. I didn't find any problem with this. Material is not so thin, it's not so thick. Like, you can get away with wearing this in summer, and you can also wear this in winter, but with jacket over it. All right, so the neck was not so tiny. Like, most of the time t-shirt having this type of neckline, they always is small and difficult to pass through, like headwise, neckwise. All right, so but this is so stretchy. All right, so that's it for this. The color, everything is just as it was advertised, and the material is great. The length is all right. The length is great, it's not too short. You can also style this with high-waisted skirt or high-waisted pants. So yeah, that's it for this. I love everything about this t-shirt, the length of the hands, and guys, the price. That's one thing I love about Shein. All right, they give great quality for really affordable prices. So yeah, and the next item is this crop t-shirt. All right, so the final item is this t-shirt. All right, so the material, guys, the material is so amazing. Like the material is really stretchy, and at the same time thick. Like it's not thin at all, like it's really thick. And the neck was not difficult to pass through, since it's a boat neck or high neck, I don't know what this is called. So I love this. I'm gonna give this 10 out of 10 also, because the material is really stretchy, the length is perfect, the material is perfect, and the color also. Like this is not like bright white, is white, but it's not so bright as the other t-shirt I showed you guys. So this is really good. I love the length of the sleeves. All right, you can easily sorry, make it extra long like this, so you can just keep it above here like this, and that's it. All right, so this is not transparent. It's not transparent one bit. Okay, not one bit, like it's a little, just teeny bit transparent, but not so transparent. And the material is amazing. Like I wish I can show you guys what it looks like material wise, but the material is really good. So yeah, I took a size medium as always, because that's the size I go with. And yeah, so I advise you guys to just get this. Like this, you can use it for a formal dress up or something of the sort. So yeah,